Hi everyone, so here we will discuss about the particle in one dimensional box. Here is the next topic is the solution of particle in one dimensional box. This is the application of quantum mechanics to the translation motion. Basically the particle in a box means like particle is inside the box. So means the motion of particle basically in the one dimensional box is considered as the like electron flow in a wire. Like here is the particle flow in a wire, like electron flow in wire, but still it is called as particle in box. Why it is called particle in a box? Because the wire it has some thickness, so that's why we consider the particle in a box. So here we will derive the Schrodinger wave equation for the particle in one dimensional box, and the particle in the one dimensional box considered as a gas molecule which is restricted to move in a particular area. Like here we considered a box, so particle is inside the box. Here we consider the electron particle, gas molecule whose mass is m, and it is restricted to move in a region of space. From restricted conditions are it can move from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So means in order the particle may remain in the box, so particle is inside the box. So means if particle is inside the box, so it is essential to assume some condition, and that condition is what? The one is the potential energy inside the box and outside the box should be considered, and the potential energy inside the box is equal to 0, but the potential energy outside the box is equal to infinity at the walls of the container. So consider walls of the box is equal to infinity. So here the potential energy is infinity, but here the potential energy is equal to 0. So according to this condition we will derive the Schrodinger wave equation for both of these conditions. V is equal to 0 and V is equal to infinity at the particular restricted area x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. So as we considered that the particle inside the box the potential energy is equal to 0, and at the walls of the container the potential energy will be equal to infinity. And so that as soon by it is equal to infinity or it is equal to 0, why it is equal to 0? But when the particle move from one side to the another side, then at the wall of the container it is reflected back to the another side. So it means in that case it is reflected back into the box. When it reflected back into the box, the potential energy in this side or potential energy in this side both are cancelled to each other, so this is equal to 0. So according to this condition we will derive the mathematical equation for the probability of finding the electron in one dimensional box. As we know, the Schrodinger wave equation for the particle can be written as one dimensional box means we will consider only the particle in the x-axis. So the Schrodinger wave equation that we have already described, curly square psi upon curly x square plus 8 pi square m upon h square e minus v psi is equal to 0. So in this equation we will substitute the potential energy. So it is the potential energy, it means it is the total energy, and it is the potential energy of the electron inside the box and outside the box. As the first condition is psi has a wave function as the function of x coordinate, and you all know that outside the box the potential energy is equal to infinity. If the potential energy is equal to infinity, then the above equation can be written as curly square psi upon curly x square plus 8 pi square m upon h square e minus infinity. So E is what? This is the total energy, and infinity is also the potential energy. So we will neglect the potential energy from the total energy, and as we all know that the infinity is the maximum value as compared to this total energy. So it means we will replace this energy by this infinity. So according to this equation, neglecting the E in comparison to infinity, this equation can be written as curly square psi upon curly x square minus infinity psi will be equal to 0. So it means infinity psi can be written in this side, curly square psi upon curly x square is equal to infinity psi. So we are interested to calculate the psi wave function, so write this psi in this side and infinity will be in the cross side, that is equal to 1 upon infinity curly square psi upon curly x square. As we all know that k 1 upon infinity means something upon infinity means is equal to 0, so it means infinite point की होएगा outside the box when condition potential energy is equal to infinity, then at that condition we prove that कि particle outside the box the probability of the finding the electron is equal to 0. It means कि particle cannot go outside the box, so particle will remain inside the box, because outside the box probability is equal to 0. It means if probability is equal to 0 we cannot calculate the probability of the electron outside the box. So the second condition is particle inside the box. According to that, inside the box B will be equal to 0. V is equal to 0. So according to that condition, the Schrodinger wave equation can be written as E minus 0 means it is equal to E psi. So here this is the equation from which equation we will calculate the probability of electron inside and inside the box. So it means we have to simplify this equation, we have to calculate this equation, and this equation, this is the double differential equation as we derived these kind of condition in the differential equation mathematics in mathematician portion. So this is the double differential equation, and this equation is very complex if we consider all these terms. So for simplify this equation we consider this constant term will be equal to k square 8 pi square m upon h square E is equal to k square. नो अपन इनू k square put कर देना है. So by substituting this value is equal to k square, this is equal to curly square psi upon curly x square plus k square psi is equal to 0. So this is the general double differential equation, and the solution of this equation can be written as psi is equal to a sin kx plus b cos kx. Basically this equation derived in mathematical portion. So formula ਹੁੰਦਾ है double differential equation ਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ derive ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ simple way 'ਚ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ, auxiliary equation ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ solution find out ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, and solution is in the form of psi, and that equation is equal to a sin kx plus b cos kx. So both of these are the constant. A is the amplitude, b is the amplitude, so these are the constants. So until or unless this amplitude a or this k constant value are not defined, until then the wave function is not the proper probability of finding the electron in the x-axis, means probability of finding the electron in the one-dimensional box is not complete until these values are not acceptable, because amplitude की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, इस k constant की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है, सेकेंड k constant की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकती है. So it means wave function can have many values, but only those values are acceptable which satisfy the boundary condition. सिर्फ वही values ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ acceptable ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ for all the wave function which will satisfy the condition. So we will consider the boundary condition because we are interested to calculate the wave function in the restricted box. So these condition are कि psi is equal to 0. The first function we will consider psi is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 or at x is equal to a, means wave function ਅਸੀਂ psi is equal to 0 तो calculate कर ही लिया होया है. So ਆਪਾਂ ने ਅੱਗੇ wave function ਦੀ values find out ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ. So ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ condition ਨੇ, one is at x is equal to 0 or the second one is at x is equal to a. So दो cases ਬਣਦੇ ਨੇ. The first case is when psi is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. The second case is psi is equal to 0 at x is equal to a. So firstly we will consider the case psi is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. So by using this condition, the above equation, this equation become psi will be equal to 0, a sin, so this is k multiplied by 0 means this is equal to 0, so b cos k x multiply 0 means 0, so this is equal to a sin 0 plus b cos 0, and we know that sin 0 is equal to 0, it means a into 0 will be equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1, so mean this is equal to 0 plus b is equal to 0, so it means the value of b will be equal to 0, so means b वाली value तो automatically पहला ही 0 हो गया, so it means we can substitute this value in equation 7. When we substitute the b is equal to 0, so this term automatically become equal to 0, so we have left only this term, so we have only the first term is equal to psi is equal to a sin k x, so this equation is again will be satisfied by the second condition, which is equal to psi is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0, it means psi is equal to 0 and a sin k x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी a, so means this is equal to a sin k a is equal to 0, so sin k a is equal to 0 divided by a चला जाएगा तो this will be equal to 0, so it means सिर्फ वही condition satisfy होंगियां when psi at angle will be equal to 0, it means sin the value sin the ਜਿਹੜੀ value है that must be equal to 0 by considering the value of ka, अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ value consider ਕਰਾਂਗੇ so value ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ that must be equal to 0 ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, so this equation is only hold good when the value of ka are integral multiple of pi, क्योंकि ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹੀ condition ਹੈ, अगर sin pi ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ is equal to 0 ਹੋਏਗਾ, sin 2 pi ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ is equal to 0 ਹੋਏਗਾ, because we all know that sin 0 is equal to 0 according to that table कि 0 ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ वैल्यू भी 0 होएगी, ठीक है, सो 90 ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ 1 ਹੁੰਦਾ है, अगर ਅਸੀਂ 180 ले लिए then again 0, then अगर फिर 90 ले लिए मीन 270 ले लिए then 1, अगर ਅਸੀਂ 360 ਲੈਣੇ ਆ then again is equal to 0, so it means ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ 0 ਵਾਲੀ 180 ਵਾਲੀ then 360 ਵਾਲੀ, so it means 180 ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਾਈ and 360 ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ 2 pi and then 3 pi, so it means ka value will be integral multiple of pi value, so it means we can write this ka will be equal to n pi, so ਇੱਥੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ value ਨਿਕਾਲ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ k ਦੀ value ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ n pi upon a, अगर इतने 1 पुट करते हैं 2 पुट करते हैं 3 पुट करते हैं 4 पुट करते हैं दैन ऑटोमैटिकली जो भी इतने पुट करांगे आप 4 पाई 3 पाई 6 पाई दैन ऑल वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू 0, सो मीन्स दीज कंडीशन दीज वैल्यूज आर एक्सेप्टेबल विद इन द बॉक्स, so from this equation we can calculate the value of k is equal to n pi upon a, so means k ਦੀ value ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ calculate ਕਰ ਲਈ ਹੈ, if k is equal to this then this eighth equation can be written as psi is equal to a sin n pi upon a x, so means so this is the expression for the eigenfunction, so this is the expression for the eigenfunction of the Schrodinger wave equation, so this is the wave function, next we will calculate कि अगर wave function find out हो गया probability find होगी then what will be the energy of that electron in that box, we will discuss in the next video. Expression the wave function which is known as the Schrodinger wave equations, but still in this equation it is the constant a and this constant is the undetermined constant, so its value we can calculate it by the process of the normalization condition, means we have the psi wave function and by applying the normalization condition we can calculate this constant value, as we have discussed we can calculate the normalization constant by considering the normalization condition, so the normalized condition is equal to psi to psi star d torque will be equal to 1, so there we consider minus infinity to plus infinity and we have the conditions already, what are the condition from 0 to a x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, so means we will consider these condition restricted condition for finding the particle inside the box, so by substituting the value of psi or psi star we have the psi value, if we write the psi star मतलब complex conjugate लिखांगे, so it means here there are no imaginary functions, so psi star will be same और psi will be same, so it means psi to psi star दोनों multiply हो जाएंगे and that will be equal to sin square n pi upon a x into dx is equal to 1, so this is constant a square बाहर आ जाएगा, so this is the formula साइन स्क्वेयर एन पाई अपॉन ए एक्स फॉर्मूला है, जो भी आप 0 to a कंडीशन अप्लाई करके इन्हों असी कैलकुलेट करते हैं, सो इट्स वैल्यू विल बी इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वेयर इंटू ए बाय 2 का रिजल्ट आता है, आई विल सेंड यू I will send you all the calculations. A square into a upon 2 is equal to 1 and this a is equal to इधर जाके 2 upon a आ जाएगा. When we will calculate the value of a, then this is equal to a is equal to under root 2 upon a. So if it is equal to under root 2 upon a, so the complete wave equation is equal to psi is equal to under root 2 upon a sine n pi upon ax. So this is the complete eigen wave function for the Schrodinger wave equation. And the energy of for this equation can be calculated by that constant that we have substitute that k square is equal to 8 pi square me upon h square. ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ equation assume ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀਗੀ. This is the fifth equation. so ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ energy calculate ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ. This is the energy value. so energy ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਕਿ k square h square upon 8 pi m square. so ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ k ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੀ k ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਸੀਗਾ n ਪਾਈ ਅਪੋਨ a. ਸੋ ਪੁੱਟ ਦਾ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਅਪੋਨ n ਪਾਈ ਅਪੋਨ a. ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ n ਪਾਈ ਅਪੋਨ a ਦਾ ਸਕੁਅਰ. ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ n ਸਕੁਅਰ h ਸਕੁਅਰ ਇਨਟੂ ਪਾਈ ਸਕੁਅਰ ਅਪੋਨ 8 ਪਾਈ ਸਕੁਅਰ ma ਸਕੁਅਰ. ਸੋ ਪਾਈ ਸਕੁਅਰ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਕੈਂਸਲ ਆਊਟ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ એનર્ਜੀ ਟਰਮ E ਇਜ਼ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ n ਸਕੁਅਰ h ਸਕੁਅਰ ਅਪੋਨ 8 ma ਸਕੁਅਰ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ એનર્ਜੀ ਫॉर the particle in one dimension.